We're at Ben and Jerry's here, the main one, the headquarters in Vermont. And this is their map here. They got a cute Ben and Jerry's ice cream truck. And Alex, Kevin, you want to put your faces in here?
Not with that bee.
Oh, there's a bee?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to take the 30-minute tour, and it's $6 a piece for adults. So, looks really nice outside here. You've got areas to sit and eat your ice cream. Lady said they still sell the Vermonster.
Yeah.
I don't know how high it is today, because we went years ago.
13 years ago, give or take.
I don't know. Let's see the prices over here. Let's see. Yeah, there's the Vermonster. I can see it right over there. Let's take a look here. Okay. Right there.
Hello, let me know if you have any questions.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to take the tour first and then we're going to eat it.
No worries.
Different flavors here.
Oh, yeah.
Alex is in heaven.
I don't know if it comes close to it, but it sure feels like it. Thanks for ice cream.
These are the prices here.
Well, not dairy shake? Oh, yeah, no, I'm glad they got that.
That looks really good. Dirt dessert. Oh, okay. The prices one more time. I'll zoom in a little bit. Right there so you can see them. They got a gorgeous mountain view over here too. Of course, it's just beautiful over here. The mountains are just gorgeous. The leaves are starting to change now too. Here's the posters here starting their timeline. Looks like they began in 78. And let's see here. This is about when we went the last time, about around 2010 or 11. Climate justice, okay. 2019 justice remix. Oh, now they got doggy desserts. I did not know that. That's very interesting. That's cute. Here's the road trip thing here. That's pretty cool. And I like their little mailbox with a snail on top. That's cute. Look at all that ice cream there. Oh, they got ice cream cakes too. This looks like their gift shop here. I like the tie-dye shirts. Those are cool. There's the pints there. Oh, and the doggy treats. Let's see the doggy treats. That's really cool. I did not know they did that. So cute. We got some coffee water bottles here. Alright, let's see how many pints he is here. You can stand against it. About 18.
And it takes about 72 hours for the most part to do the flavors. I put that probably in. How long were you? You're gonna try it and have those? Yeah. This. And everything bagel. There's another one, but we have tried it. But I'm not gonna do that to you today. However, I do have something a little bit exclusive for you, like VIPs. You're gonna try ultraviolet. Has anybody had it? Probably not, because it is exclusive to just our scoop shops, not just this scoop shop here.
Here's the Wall of Fame here. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chunky monkey. Alright, so the graveyard is up the hill. Looks like there's a playground too. So we're going. Got a bunch of solar panels over here next to the Flavor Graveyard. See it from a distance here. The factory. We just got done with the tour. Well, let's go in the Flavor Graveyard. Devil's Food Chocolate. Dave Matthews Band's Magic Brownies. Honey, I'm Home. Coconut Almond Fudge Chip. I must have had it out several times. That's my jam. Oh, they had a Georgia peach one. That's interesting. A White Russian, it lasted 10 years. Economic Crunch. That's funny. 87. I like that one. Oh, pear. Yeah, I don't like pears much. My mom did. This is nuts. Tennessee Mud. Huh. Oh, they got some more over here. Vermont Python. Okay. Wavy Gravy. Turtle Soup. Fossil Fuel. The Witch. Oatmeal Cookie Chunk. Pina Colada. Cake Batter. Caberry Kaboom. Huh. Sweaty balls. Making whoopie pie. Boston cream pie, chocolate peppermint crunch, holy cannoli, peanut butter me up, Napolitan dynamite.
Yeah, I would say they must still have chocolate therapy. So.
I remember her talking about the Peanuts popcorn. Ethan Almond. Pretty interesting. Rainforest Crunch. It's beautiful mountains over here. Leaves are changing. It's just gorgeous. Got a gazebo over there too. So here's the banana split here that I got. So you get to pick your own toppings. Of course, I like chocolate ice cream here. Alex is trying his ice cream here.
Half baked.
What kind you get?
Half baked and chocolate chip. No, chocolate fudge brownie.
How is it?
Pretty good. Tastes half baked.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it smells like it's been cooked. Yeah.
I know it does, yeah.
I think it has to do with the things that are over there, the waffle cones. You can smell it.
My banana split is good, but it is sweet.
But you asked for the chocolate. That's the sweetest thing they got here.
Yeah, I know.
Spoon's made out of bamboo, I think.
Yeah.
See what you think, Kevin.
Oh wow.
Tastes baked.
Tastes fresh. Very fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be. They were making some back there.
This is a pack pot. Fresh.
So y'all got the same flavor?
And 2 flavors. You get 2 flavors in the pack pot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How much was it?
$9.
That's not bad.
$7, actually. I mean,
Oh, it's $7 or $9, something like that.
But my banana split was what, 12? I think.
$12.80, yeah.
We got
$12.80.
banana, so.
It's good.
You got free dips. You got 2. I think they put more than 2 in here though. This thing is really packed.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this is no joke. This is I don't know if this is a pond. No, that's a big giant almond, I think. Not sure.
Cookie dough.
Oh yeah, cookie dough. God.
Yeah, the cookie dough's good. That's what I got in my banana split. That and some M&Ms.
Wow.